Welcome to Super Simple Sauté, where we make super simple things for busy families like us, or for kids who want to cook or bake at home. Today I'm going to be making a Lazy Man's vegan corn pasta. We're going to use the things that are quick and easy. So let's start. The things you'll need are salsa, because it has tomatoes, it has onions, it already has a lot of ingredients in it, and it has so much flavor, so we're going to use some salsa. Corn. This is just store-bought corn. It used to be frozen. You can use any kind of corn you like. Cream of corn. Some sliced up cherry tomato. Minced garlic. And some angel hair pasta. This kind of pasta cooks in 5 minutes. So in 10 minutes we should have dinner ready. First, saute your garlic. Then add your corn into the pot. Add your cream of corn. Now you stir it. Wow, it looks so good already. Then add salt and pepper for taste. And add your salsa. Add your sliced up cherry tomatoes. Then mix gently. It smells so good. It looks so colorful. The mix of the yellow and red looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to taste it. This is really good. And set this aside and cook your pasta. Now cook your pasta. This pasta cooks in 5 minutes because it's angel hair pasta and the pasta is very thin. Don't cook the pasta completely because when you mix it with the sauce, it will continue to cook. It's nice and ready, and I'm going to put it on a plate now. Ta-da! Now dinner is ready. It's really good. I can taste the creaminess of the corn and the salsa, and it's really good. Really, really good. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauté. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!